Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my favorite creamy vegan pasta sauce, which takes less than 5 minutes. You'll need a blender and all of the ingredients are listed in the description box. Step 1. Blend together 2 ripe avocados, squeezed juice from 1 lemon, 1 cup of nutritional yeast, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, and salt and pepper to taste. Step 2 is boil your water and add in your pasta. I'm making an entire 1-pound bag of pasta and enough sauce for that. Step 3, strain your pasta, mix in the sauce, serve and enjoy. And if you want an even creamier version of this, you can add in half a cup of coconut milk. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more.